Chinese work in business development at China Education. Recently, we took students on an educational trip to Zhoushan, and here are the highlights of our journey. Our adventure began with the Beach Olympic Games, an icebreaker right by the ocean. Students were divided into 4 teams, each working together to complete various tasks and endpoints. The most memorable event was the water bucket relay, where students filled small buckets with seawater, carried them on their heads, and emptied them into a larger bucket at their team's base. The students not only enjoyed the friendly competition, but also embraced the Olympic spirit, understanding the importance of collaboration and perseverance. Next, we embarked on a hike along Zhoushan Starling's coastline, with 2 distinct routes, one featuring a swing and the other a cliffside work. We set different learning goals. The first route we focused on mindfulness, where students were encouraged to observe the colors, sounds, and smells of nature. Students learned to appreciate nature's beauty. The second route taught them about tides and currents, providing a challenging yet enriching experience. Our program continued with a visit to a museum dedicated to the fishing industry's past and present in Zhoushan. Students were divided into groups and tasked with exploring questions like, what do you think fishing boats of the future will look like? And how does the nature environment impact human development on the island? The students' creativity shone through as they considered innovative solutions, even suggesting the use of AI in future industries. Danny had the chance to experience modern fishing methods firsthand on a boat trip and interacted with local captains, gaining insights onto the impact of these methods on marine sustainability. In a nearby fishing village, students participated in a scavenger hunt, exploring traditional fisherman paintings and learning about their cultural significance. They also had the chance to learn the intricate craft of fishing net making from a skilled local woman. Though challenging at first, the students grew to love the activity, appreciating the labor and skill involved. Our trek through an abandoned village was a powerful reminder of the consequences of not living in harmony with nature. This poignant experience left a lasting impact on the students. Through a series of hands-on experiences, our program provided a comprehensive understanding of Zhoushan's fishing industry and the beauty of its natural environment. Students also had the chance to express themselves while sketching and reflect on their relationship with nature. One key takeaway was the realization that while nature can heal itself, humanity must learn to do the same. We believe the memories and lessons will inspire the students to cultivate more beauty and hope in their futures.